Okay, we're going to get started. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
a partridge in a pear tree.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
5 golden rings,
yay
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
8 maids a milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
Well, I don't know the words.
9 ladies dancing.
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids a milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
Geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids a milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids a milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And on the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
12 drummers drumming,
11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids a milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves.
everyone. And a partridge in a pear tree.
Yay!
There we go. Nicely done.
Very nice, Helversons. Very